Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dremica game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After your system restarts, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So what you need to do is go to the game installation folder where your game has been installed, programs and files, then click on Epic Games. Here the game is, here is the game application. You have to simply game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't result, click on disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Epic Games, go to the library section, select your game here, click on the three dot icon, then click on manage, and here you can see verify files and click on verify. You have to simply click on verify option, and once your game files is verified, launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to add launch arguments. For that, again go to Epic, under library section, select your game, click on three dot icon, click on manage. Now here you can see launch options, enable it, and here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this fixes the problem. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next method is to update graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers, and after updating your graphics driver, check if the game is launching or not. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow Dremica game through Firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on Firewall network protection, then click on allow an app through Firewall, then click on change settings, and after that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, then click on allow another app, then click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, go Epic Games, here is the game application, add it to the list. Now it has been added. So here the game is, simply select it, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, then click on OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings, open it, and here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now click on arrow icon under GPU preference, here you have to select high performance and after that launch the game and then check if it's working or not. If not, next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU and GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when our graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution or other things, then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager, open it. After that, under process tab, here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but running in the background, and after that select it, right click on it, click on end task, and this will close the app from running in the background. After that, launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and this will check if any update is available. If yes, you have to update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues, because somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of the particular program or disable it to play the game hassle free. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. This will download the file. Now you have to open it. Now after opening, you will get a repair or install option. So you have to click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. Now you have to wait for few minutes, and once it shows setup successful, close this, and after that restart your PC and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next method is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed, then select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288. In the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK, and then launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Dremica game. So for that, go to Epic Games, under library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon, and here you can see uninstall option. Simply click on it and this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Epic Games and reinstall Dremica game once again, and click on the play button or launch option and then check if it's launching or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Dremica game crashing, not launching, not opening, lagging, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.